Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Alright, so we have a strong reaction here for this allegedly fourth wave. Let's see how it goes. You can see that I am still looking for. Okay, now the question is this third wave finished here or here? Before I put it here, but I do believe now I need to readjust, and this was the third wave and this is the fourth wave, and we just having a reaction for this fourth wave. Let me honestly, if we can get over with this correction, I believe by the end of this month definitely we should be clear, or of this instability. This is what's happening, right? It's all the trade fair and deadlines and this and that. So we have one tomorrow, no, in 2 days, April the 2nd. I think there is another one the 12, 14 or 17 April, and then that's it. I think there is something in May after that, but the majority is going to be set up, and that's it. But honestly, the 3rd of April is going to be amazing, because the 2nd, the market can digest the news, the fares, the percentage of tax that the American will have to pay. So it's a surcharge tax of any product from the world getting into the United States. And yeah, and after that we can. So I do believe today and tomorrow we're going to work onto this fourth wave. Let me go on the 1 hour. Okay, so, and after that, in 2 days, we're going to have a very nice, perhaps even a very steep fifth wave, and then we can just change subject and talk about something else, because the price of the world trade is going to be done. If we can even make and go to 75k, so we can have a clearance of structure, clearance of deadlines and black swan events, and that's it. Ethereum, quickly, let me go maybe on the 8 hours, not maybe 12 hours then. Okay, so we have a 1, 2, we have an ABC for the third wave. You can see fourth wave, we still have some a little bit of a room. I think I can remove now the 0.5. And so once again, ideally, we wouldn't go lower than the 0.618. Worst case scenario, what could it be all this? Well, this could be just an A, a B, and this is the C for the wave 1 in red. And wave 2, we have an A, a B, and a C. So, it's like worst case scenario, we didn't see the bigger third wave, and we're going to see it shortly popping up. And that could be why, one of the reasons why Ethereum didn't even really outperform anybody out there. Even Solana is more really being outperformed Ethereum, right? So maybe now I am convinced, Ethereum has to do something, right? So that would be very yeah. Everybody is going, it would feel that we really got, let me say, forked, to not use another word, if this was the top of this cycle, which I don't think. And I do believe now buyers are going to start to, the bulls are going to start to kick in. And yeah, I mean 1400, that would be a sweet spot also. So let me clear out this. If the price goes a little bit lower, we have the 1.36 wave A to wave C, 1655 to round it up. I do believe this could act as a support. In the case it fails, when then we have 1437. This is the 0.786 for if I count all that, instead of 3 waves in diagonal, it's just a big ABC for the wave 1 in red, ABC for the wave 2. It's actually ideal. Well, ideal is 0.618, but it can also go at 0.786. Very, very fine with me. And you can see that we have confluence of level 1.618, wave A to wave C, 1400. So if price goes below, I believe 1800, weekends are going to sell and freak out. Perhaps maybe this level here, the 1.36, will not hold unless buyer really start to kicks in. Definitely here, I am convinced bulls are going in, and this is how I see it. Brett. Yeah, so we are reaching as well, we need something more bullish now, because otherwise, yeah, you can see many coins, many altcoins are getting beaten up big time. So I can still say maybe this was an ABC now and having wave 2. Did I say that before? No, I didn't. So I am readjusting big time to still give a bullishness to Brett, but at one certain point you cannot continue to do that. So now this cannot be a fourth wave. This is not a third wave, clearly. So I'm going to say this is an ABC for the wave 1, and this is a wave 2. And you can see that now slowly, we're getting validated, right? So I'm changing now, and this is good, because now it means if we go below 0.7x6, now it starts to be troubling. If we go below 2 cents 5.6, then it's really not looking good for Brett. I hate to be to bring bad news, but this is what it is, right? Unfortunately, also Pi, because many users are unhappy, they're not able to validate their unverified coins. They're very pissed, to say the least. Now I did change again. This is a 1-2. This is a very long third wave, and perhaps a 4 and a 5 is coming, still to come, unfortunately, unless something more bullish arrives, or how. Yeah, so, and now start to be a little bit of a stretch, because I could have count 5 way up. Now we are getting way below. I know we're almost reaching the beginning of that count, so I'm going to get stuck and in pretty soon invalidate this count, and just assume that this bigger candle is a wave 1 and we're doing the wave 2, and this is very weak, because I don't have any history, and technically I'm doing this wave 2 based on 2 candles, so that's very unreliable. Is there something else I want to cover? Maybe ADA. Okay, I still have this. We still have this potential fourth wave, that bottom here. We have an A, a B, and a C for the wave 1 in orange. Now, ADA is still holding. We're still holding that potential, this potential wave 2 here. Cannot afford to go way much lower. So let's see how it goes. And yeah, so, but it's holding. It's good news, but we don't want to go lower than 61 cents. Otherwise, yeah. Okay, so I think I'm going to stop here. I don't have much time today. I'm sorry. Once again, if you go on the Discord channel, you can go and check. When I have more time, I can just do an update on charts. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you have any comments, any special requests on a coin or a stock, let me know. and I will try to do that, either a video or maybe quickly I can just do an update chart on the Discord channel. And here you go. So once again, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.